my name's Lawrence Mackenzie. I'm a site carpenter, work all over the country, anywhere from like your new build to just your sort of domestic installation. We've been using the MILWAUKEE M18 216mm Mitre Saw. Just gives you a wide range, anywhere from your first fix to your second fix. When you're building sites, for stud work, it just gives you a wide range of everything you need in one package and one saw. The performance on the saw, absolutely brilliant. We've had no problems whatsoever when we've been coming across softwood, hardwoods, different angles on your mitre or on your bevel. Just an absolute brilliant saw. Precision is so important when you're doing either first fix or especially second fix work. If you're trying to get your miters spot on for your architrave, it's really important because if you don't, you'll just end up using more product. The saw is extremely easy to set your degrees and the angles you need for your precision. You just untwist, you lift the lever, spin the saw around and it will lock into place on your 45s. Sometimes you just want a light to help you see what you're cutting, and then sometimes you need that extra precision where you can flick a laser on and it will give you pinpoint accuracy with the blade. Using MILWAUKEE blades with the saw is extremely important because it gives you accuracy with the laser and it just gives you that fine, crisp cut. So the MILWAUKEE M18 216 Mitre Saw, great pitted kit to have, such a versatile tool, highly recommend getting one.